Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances to explore what many are calling the best cooker hood in its class, the PROLINE 30-inch professional wall hood. If you're someone who takes their cooking seriously, you know the importance of having proper ventilation in your kitchen. That's where the PROLINE 30-inch professional wall hood comes into play. Let's break down why this hood is making waves in the culinary world. First off, let's talk power. With a staggering 1200 CFM output, this hood means business. Whether you're whipping up a delicate soufflé or searing a steak to perfection, this hood has got you covered with its immense suction power. But power is nothing without precision. That's why the PROLINE hood features a sophisticated LCD touch control panel, allowing you to easily adjust settings and fan speeds with just a tap of your finger. Plus, with its ultra-quiet blower motor, you can say goodbye to noisy interruptions while you cook. Let's shed some light on another fantastic feature, the LED lights. Not only do they provide brilliant illumination over your cooking surface, but they're also energy efficient, ensuring you can cook up a storm without worrying about your electricity bill. Now, let's talk maintenance. Cleaning your range hood filters can be a hassle, but not with the PROLINE hood. Thanks to its easy access baffle filters made from high-quality stainless steel, cleaning becomes a breeze. Simply pop them out, toss them in the dishwasher, and voila, good as new. And here's the cherry on top. The PROLINE hood comes with a generous 3-year warranty, providing you with peace of mind and assurance of quality. Because when you invest in a premium appliance like this, you deserve nothing but the best. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best cooker hood 60 centimeters, look no further than the PROLINE 30-inch professional wall hood. With its unmatched power, sleek design, and top-notch features, it's a game-changer for any serious home chef. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy cooking!